One-on-one meetings between an employee and their manager are critical to employee, team, and business success. Quantum Workplace offers a real-time conversation tool focused on keeping employees and managers connected and aligned. One-on-ones make it easy to discuss important topics at key times through lightweight check-ins, performance reviews, and other important conversations. Create one-on-one meetings in minutes through 3 simple steps: create, launch, discuss. Select a best practice conversation template or create your own. Launch your one-on-one and supercharge with smart conversation boosters. Easily pull in an employee's goal updates, recent feedback, and personalized agenda items. Then meet and discuss. Track decisions with comments to reference in future one-on-ones. One-on-one meetings are easy to create, but the real power comes from the data behind them. Give managers line of sight into key performance data with the Performance Snapshot. See an employee's recognition received, prior one-on-ones, retention risk, and more with the click of a button. These data points help reduce common biases and make one-on-ones seamless. One-on-ones empower employees and managers to have meaningful performance and coaching conversations, track, develop, and improve performance over time, and align on what matters most. Help your employees maximize performance with Quantum Workplace one-on-ones.